Our installation team are on hand to ensure that fitting your brand new refrigerator goes as smoothly as possible. But before we arrive, there's a few things we need you to do first. Ensure easy access. Please make sure there is a clear route for your new refrigerator to make it from the van to the kitchen. You will also need to empty your old appliance prior to the installation team's arrival. Door panel suitability. If you have ordered a like-for-like replacement appliance to what is already fitted in your home, then the existing door fascia should be instantly transferable to the new model. However, if the ratio of your new fridge freezer is different, you will need to arrange for new cupboards to be available prior to delivery. Please check your new appliance's dimensions to see if this is required. Once your new refrigerator is in place, the installation team will run a short test to ensure everything's working correctly.